Hey guys, good morning. Hope you all had a good weekend and are refreshed, ready to go. Overnight, looks like ES has finally ran into the 43.52 level we have been looking for, and now you see we took this low, and now we are filling in this weekly fair value gap now, and we do have this list. Another thing that I think could draw us a lower. We'll have to see what happens when NQ takes the lows here. But we do have this volume imbalance sitting down here where we could maybe draw down a little bit further to fill this. We do not have to. We are so low. We could absolutely retrace and then come back down at a later time. But just something I'm paying attention to. If we're not showing any strength inside this weekly, I'll be looking for any 5 or 15 minute fair value gaps to the upside to be violated, and then looking for longs from there. Absolutely no way I'm going to be looking for a short position here. Obviously, because you don't want to short inside a weekly fair value gap. It's also a daily fair value gap right here. So just a spot where you don't want to be shorting, and why would you want to short when we have already had this much displacement to the downside? You're just asking for trouble. So uh, I think what's going to happen is I think we're going to get a bounce from this area, probably come back, refill either this daily FEG, this daily FEG, and then maybe just just and maybe a bit lower because it kind of looks like a fat uh, buy model and then a sell model, but this actually would complete the model here. So just kind of what I'm looking at on ES today, but yeah, first target hit. Just waiting on any confirmation on a long setup for today. I'd be looking for us to head back towards that 4400 level to retest this daily FVG. This is more like the long-term setup, but this is something that could absolutely happen today as well. So that's ES. Looking on NQ, we will go to the weekly. You see we got very, very close to it, and getting this close to it and not actually taking it tells me we're going to come right back down to it. It just got a little bounce because you'll see on the hourly, you see how close we got to it, and we didn't take it. This was right when ES took 43.52, so you can see how close they were both to taking it at the same time, but it didn't. However, you see NQ ran after we took these low after ES took its lows. You see came back up, retested this hourly FEG, tapped into it, and since we didn't get above it, it tells us, okay, we know we're coming right back down here. So just waiting on this low to be taken and see what kind of displacement, if any, we get to the upside. Overnight on NQ, it's pretty simple. Uh, you guys remember Friday we had the pump, and everyone got kind of excited here, and it just happened to be this told us that we were going right back down to 14,792. You see, we came down, we took this, we had this nice bounce here. All this was come back above the zero point 0.5 with with a 15-minute FVG sitting right here. Boom, fill it in. Boom, take out and then look for the last low right here. So that's what happened Friday. It told us price wanted to continue lower, and then overnight you seen we had this drop. This was the hourly that I just showed you. Came back up, rejected this 15-minute FEG. Tells us price wants to go lower, and right now you see we're kind of rejecting this 15 here. I think this will be maybe what sends us down to 14,792. If not, we wait. I'm not looking for any kind of long position until this gets taken because price is going to draw here. So no shorts, no longs, simply waiting for this to be taken, and then price movement, action, displacement after that will tell us what to expect for the rest of today. So that's what I'm looking for. Hope you'll have a good day, and we'll see you in chat.